Hi friends, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ankita, and in today's video I am going to share with you people the deep cleaning of this miscellaneous room that I have. Now each and every single person, now don't deny that we all have a room like so which serves multiple purposes. For me, this is that room at its worst, and today I'm gonna organize it with you people. This room has our work desk, it has our temple, it has my wardrobe plus a wardrobe that is solely used for storage and organization of the miscellaneous stuff. So let's get started and straight away dive into this amazingly mess of a room that I call my workspace. Starting off as obvious from the fan, as I've always mentioned it to you people, that I always admire working from top to bottom. So your fan is the first thing that you need to clean, and you need to clean it with the help of a dry towel, and then you have to go ahead and spray whatever spray you want to use. I have used Colin over here, and then you can wipe it clean. Next is the windows and the curtains time. So over here I'm dropping all the curtains and just simply making sure that the rod of the curtains is clean. Now this is the area that we usually forget or skip doing, but the rods of the curtain also get really very dirty, so try and make sure that you wipe them once while you're deep cleaning any room of yours. And then I'm simply going ahead with the windows. Now windows have flat surfaces, blocks and sections and stuff like that, and dust tends to accumulate onto those areas, so do go ahead and give them a good wipe and clean. Plus, as you people can clearly see that these windows have net covering, and a net covering needs to be cleaned by a dry cloth only, because wet cloth will push the dust inside. So just go ahead and use a dry cloth and dust it all off, and then simply open your windows and clean them as amazingly as possible. Now windows and doors can be cleaned only by water, or you can use diluted Colin on top of them. They're made up of wood, so make wood. So just simply make sure that you don't use very strong cleaning agents on them, because wood tends to soak in a lot of things that fall on it. So just make sure that you are using everything wisely. And then I am gonna do this miscellaneous wardrobe. I'm gonna organize this wardrobe. For that I need to empty it out. This cradle belongs to Vivan. He was very he outgrew it within 3 to 4 months of his lifetime, even though this was supposed to help us make him sleep peacefully for 6 to 7 months, but he had outgrew it very quickly. He was quite a tall baby. So since then it's completely useless. You people might have seen in many of my cleaning videos this one lying either in my bedroom or in my drawing room, and now I have completely decided that it should go ahead and be stored at a different place, at a place where it's not going to obstruct anything at all until and unless I have a secondary use of it. So I am going to go ahead and place this cradle on top of this wardrobe. I wish it had a covering cabinet like the earlier room that I have, but it didn't have a cabinet that could cover anything like that. But still, at least it is safe up there, and it's not like always in the eye area. Now I always feel like while I'm doing these deep cleaning videos that I am kind of that sumo wrestler. He is always ready to fight everything on its own. But, and frankly, people must be thinking as well that I have a husband, then why the hell he doesn't helps me? So the main reason is that he's a CA, and he is continuously into working. He's usually in his office, he's quite very busy, or he is traveling. So it's not a possibility for him to all the time be available for us over there for this heavy lifting wala stuff. Whenever he is, he never lets us do any of this stuff. Now, in the like at the moment I am just reorganizing the wardrobe a little bit. I am just I'm just placing all of the clothes that are messed up onto their places back, because organizational system, like establishing an organizational system, is easy. It's really easy. Once you have to organize everything, you just need to get tired and do everything carefully, and then your organizational system is in place. But to keep in place, to maintain it the way you have organized it, that is the trickiest part. You have to be consistent in what goes where, and then only you can make sure that everything stays into place. Now wardrobe thing is done. I just had a few clothes that I needed to organize, so they are done. Now it's time for my husband's table to be cleaned up, and this is one of the major things, because personally I use this table and chair for editing my videos, and he uses this table and chair whenever there is a client or he is working from home. So it's like we are two adults who are using this table, so it's rosy roti hai bhai. तो दिवाली की क्लीनिंग में it is supposed to be cleaned completely ना. So that's what I am doing at the moment, just emptying each and every single drawer and then making sure that everything is arranged and organized. Now this table was divided into two parts. One part you people might have already seen is in my hallway, but now I am going to shift that part back to this room, and I'm going to place my temple on top of that part so as to make sure that it looks presentable, tied up together. Plus that bamboo that bamboo rack, it looks like a sore eye to me in this room. And I personally think that post placing my temple on that black desk that matches entirely to the actual table of ours, I personally think that it binded the place a little bit more together. It gave us a little bit more space to work with in and around the temple as well. So that is that. And while I was explaining it to you, I completely cleaned the second drawer, and I'll be cleaning the third drawer as well, to make sure that each and every single drawer is quite like completely well arranged and organized. Now my husband has a tendency of storing everything at a single place. I don't personally believe in that. I personally think that you can keep one thing at a place and the rest should go into stock. So all the stapler pins, all the binder clips, all the U-pins I have stored in that miscellaneous wardrobe as a stock. Now I am just going to wipe each and every single thing that is there on this table. First I'm going to organize the pens and pencils, then I'm going to empty them up and make sure that the pen holders are clean from inside. Like as I've mentioned earlier in my videos, that when you are preparing for the Lakshmi Agman, you need to clean each and every single corner. And in this room, as I mentioned earlier, it's my mandir, so we are going to do the Lakshmi Puja in this room only. So at least this room shouldn't have any traces of dust or grime. So that's what I am trying to do at the moment. I'm just cleaning his table as beautifully as possible. Now these are some statues that we recently invested in. One is of Saraswati ji and one is of Tirupati Balaji. And my husband, he loves collecting sculpture, so that is that. I even enjoy the idea of having way too many idols in the house, but I personally think that once we'll have our own home, that's when I'll start praying to these. I'll establish them in the mandir, but until then they can stay over here on our work desk and keep us blessed. Now I'm cleaning. This is the bathroom door. Now this door helped us a lot during our COVID period, because this is a back door towards our bathroom. So without stepping out of the room, we were capable of using the bathroom. Over here I am using the cleaning the front door as well. This has a hook behind which is like a magnet to clutter, so I have recently cleaned that as well, just to make sure that there is not a lot of clutter. And I was amazed watching how dirty the doors could get, like so very easily. The doors do get so much dirtier, like literally. Now this was a footrest. Now I am cleaning the table from the back. Now you people can see it's quite dirty. It has small dots of dust on it, and I'm just gonna wipe them with the help of Collin. Well, the Collin is quite very diluted, so here you can see the shine is completely back. and that is what you need. Everything should be like twinkly and starry basis for clean. Now I am going to empty up the entire temple first. All the idols are needed to be washed, everyone is needed to be bathed, and the temple is needed to be cleaned entirely, and then everything is supposed to be back at its place. So here I am doing just the same, just I have simply emptied up the temple. Now I am removing all the things that are there on this board, in this rack. A few of my husband's folders are over there, then we have asni, we have books that are related to God only, and then like everything that is there. I'm gonna just take it out, and I'm gonna use this rack outside our house for organizing our shoes and stuff like that, because the porch area, it doesn't looks nice with all the shoes spread all over the place. So I'm gonna use this rack for this shoe organization. It's almost about to break on at a side as well, so it wasn't the best idea to place the temple on top of it, as you people can see, because of the temple stand, it was about to break. Now over here you people can see me once again acting like the sumo wrestler as I am, and just bringing the table from outside. This one is really heavy because it has like a lot of files and everything inside it, so it's really heavy. So I had to bring it from outside like that only, and I have wiped it clean. Now I'm going to place my temple on top of it, and then I'm going to completely reorganize this temple entirely. And the organizational process is something that you people can see clearly with the help of music. So I am gonna finish the voiceover right over here. Hopefully you people might have enjoyed this video. The playlist that is relevant to this entire Devalogue series is in the description box for you people. So if you people want to go ahead and watch all the videos or any particular video that is relevant to cleaning, you can go ahead and click on that playlist and search for the video. It's going to be easier for you because all the 35 videos are going to be accumulated at a single place for you people. So hopefully you people are finding everything productive. If you people are, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And if you people have reached this far, I am extremely thankful for you people for watching everything that I am serving to you people. Thank you so very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.